Hey guys, it's Simon from Atelier Full Lock Race Shop. We're installing today a Just Engineering kit. We're installing an angle kit and a grip kit, so it's probably going to be two different videos. What I found is Just Engineering provides some awesome kits, but they also don't have instruction manuals for you guys to see how they're installed and stuff. I did install them at first, and I had to redo it 3 times because I had inversed some of the arms at the back, some spacers, some shims, whatever. So this video is for you guys to save some time, hopefully. So I'm here to help you guys to do this. Big shout out to Just Engineering for providing some such good stuff. Very nice products. This video is not sponsored by Just Engineering by any means because he's a friend of mine, and that's just a small advice. But if you have a friend that has business, you shouldn't try to get a price from him. You should try to buy from him and encourage him as much as you can. That being said, let's jump right into our grip kit today, which is installed on this 240SX. It's an S13 coupe with an LS in it, and we just installed that grip kit with some ISR Performance brand new brake lines and also a brand new ISR Performance bearing. So for the grip kit in the rear, it's gonna be an S14, an S chassis at least, 5 lugs. It's gonna bolt right to our Just Engineering knuckle. Probably the nicest part provided by Just Engineering on this kit is that knuckle. It's awesome. It's reinforced everywhere, and also I found out that there's very nice holes, so you can put a wrench here to go and grab that nut. I don't know if you can see it. So you can put a wrench right there or on the back to go and grab that nut right there, which is a locked one. So it's not gonna come loose. There's very nice ball joints and aim joints on this kit. Just take care to order the good kit. Tell him if it's an S13 or an S14 or an S15, because the shims here and also on the toe arm here in the back are not the same on an S13 than an S14. So the S14 spacing is gonna be a little wider here. So you're gonna need thicker shims here. On an S13, you just need some slim ones everywhere to fit on that subframe. So it looks a little weird from here. I'm gonna install the BC Racing really soon on this car, but whatever. For now, it just barely clears. And when the wheel's gonna come up, it's gonna clear just fine. And also, what's cool about this kit too is you have the twin caliper setup ready to bolt on it. Big shout out to Elegant Drift Shop for providing some very nice brand new Z32 twin pistons calipers that are brand new. The axle just fits right in because it's your S14 bearing, right? And you have your coilover that bolts on this sleeve here. And you have so much adjustability. That's progressive toe adjustments. Maybe I might do another video where I can show you what this does. You have a bunch of adjustments, so that's very cool too. You're gonna just unscrew this, and the arm is gonna come here. So you're basically gonna play with how the arm and the lower control arm plays. There's a bunch of adjustment on the traction arm, which is gonna help with progressive toe and work in and end with these adjustments here. You have the sway bar adjustment here, because those arms aren't identified to you when they come in the kit, so you just don't have to mix the right side to the left side one. So just to make sure you're putting the right side on the right side and you don't do like me and put them on the wrong side, that sway bar adjustment needs to be parallel to that toe arm here. So that's gonna be straight. So you have to be straight. If you mix them up and you take the left side one and you come here to the left, this adjustment from the sway bar is gonna be right like this. And that's not how you want it. You want it to be parallel to all the arms that are on that knuckle. So that's how it's installed. It's very simple. So you got that camber arm here. You have some adjustments here and there too. Like I told you, I have a lot of droop on that car. So these are gonna become straighter when the wheel goes up. It's gonna go really up. As you can see, if I put a wheel here, it's gonna be having a big droop, a big gap. When you drop it up, since the spring rate is so low, it's gonna be very high here and very tight to that fender. There's no flat here. There's no spacer here. It's just the sleeve that goes into the camber arm. And also the flat is under it. I don't know if you can see it. There's a washer right there. So the washer goes under these arms, and there's no washer here on top. It's right the bolt. On the bottom, just take care not to lose the sleeves that goes in there. There's a sleeve that goes into the knuckle right here. That looks like a little bit like a cone. And then under it, there's that little shim that goes right into the ball joint here. So take care about that a little bit. And then there's so much adjustability in these kits. So that's a little bit how it goes for the grip kit. Just make sure you don't mix the camber arm with the toe arm. The toe arm is going to be the straight one. Also take care to be careful to put the right lower control arm on the right side. So that's the right side here because it's parallel to the other arms. Make sure you put that shim here under the thing. And also here you got some shims that goes into, I'm not sure what you call them, into that ball joint here. So you just bolt it up. So there's a washer on each side like this. So that's very cool. There's a washer also on this side and on this side too. So there's a washer on each side of the coilover here. That's basically it. You just reuse your stock bolts because they're not provided. That goes onto the subframe. If there's not enough grip with this kit, I would recommend adding a GT Tech lower control arm here, relocation kit that brings this lower control arm a little lower. That gives the same anti-squat of an S15 or an S14 subframe, which are lowering this point. And that's legal in DMCC, Formal Drift Series, whatever. So I would totally suggest you would add this thing to bring the lower control arm straighter, because now it's looking a little like this. The thing is, you want to put it straight or even lower so you have more anti-squat, because you don't want to push that wheel into the fender when you're on throttle. You want to push that wheel to the tarmac and to add some grip. So you can totally use a GT Tech lower control arm bracket that you can just weld here. So you put this arm down a little bit. Now it looks a little worse because this suspension got so much droop that it's very low. So it makes that adjustment so much worse, that effect so much worse. But yeah, so basically that's it. It just bolts on. You can reuse your stock bearing, your stock bolts, and that's it. You just put back your axle in it. You just use the hardware that's provided, and yeah. Everything comes mounted and with zip ties and stuff. You can't lose anything here. So yeah, that's basically it. How to install these grip kits on S14, S15s, and S13s. So big shout out again to Justin from Just Engineering back in Canada, which is awesome. If you have any question, you can hit him up. I'm pretty sure he's gonna be very happy to help you guys. Hopefully this video helps you guys a little bit. It's probably going to be his instruction manual, kind of, so just trying to help him out a little bit and make your life a little bit easier. So yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I guess like and subscribe if you want some more. And we're going to be probably dropping another video about that Just Engineering is providing too. So yeah, Simon from Atelier Full Luck Race Shop. See you guys next time, I guess.